started there. So I'm delighted today to welcome Ricardo Ferreira, who's going to talk about leveraging digital solutions for transformative water asset management. Ricardo was a finalist at the Asset Management Excellence Awards in 2023 in the Next Gen Award category, and I had the pleasure of sitting next to Ricardo at the awards dinner in December, so it really is a pleasure to welcome him back today. I'll let Ricardo introduce himself briefly in just a moment, but before I do, I'd like to remind you that we will be taking questions at the end of the session. So if you have any questions you'd like Ricardo to answer, there will be a QR code which will access Mentimeter for you, and Ricardo will share that as part of his presentation. So thank you very much, and over to you, Ricardo.
Thank you, Miranda. It's very nice to be here with you all, and I hope you enjoyed the webinar that I will be delivering. As Miranda said, it represents the project that was submitted to the Excellence Awards for the Institute of Asset Management, in which I was a finalist on the category of the next generation. So without extend much further, I will start the webinar. So, as I said, good afternoon, everyone. I work in the asset management department at Águas e Energia do Porto, and our daily work aims to achieve a holistic balance between technical and financial optimization for our assets and the investment plan of our company. We strive to ensure that our investments are sustainable, and focused on critical assets. And this project illustrates the journey that ADP underwent in embracing digital transformation and leveraging data as a service tools to revolutionize water asset management. The digital investment and integration of our physical assets with our digital parts have resulted in significant improvements in risk analysis, decision-making process, and overall planning. Before we commence, let me brief you Águas e Energia do Porto. Águas e Energia do Porto is the largest water utility in Portugal. We are tasked with overseeing a range of essential services in the municipality, including managing the water supply, the wastewater treatment plants, stormwater, streams, and seafront areas. Also, we're deeply committed to promoting environmental education and sustainability within the community. With such a broad scope, you can imagine the sheer volume and diversity of assets we handle, from numerous infrastructures to a vast array of scales, complexities, and types, whether linear or nonlinear, underground or visible, known or unknown. Our operations cover a wide spectrum. Efficient asset management in such a context is far from straightforward. Our water supply system comprises about 800 kilometers of network, including 6 water tanks, 93 DMAs, serving over 163,000 customers, and featuring more than 350 monitoring points strategically distributed throughout the system. Regarding our drainage systems, we do have two distinct, one for wastewater and another for stormwater. It's worth noting that our city is famous for its ancient underground water galleries, adding a unique dimension to our asset management. We're proud to say that we take sustainability seriously by reusing our wastewater. Through cutting-edge technology, we convert it into water that's not only suitable for cleaning the city, but also for watering the lawns of our city's football club. It's a testament to our commitment to maximizing resources and minimizing waste. And since 2020, we have taken on the execution of the municipal energy strategy as well. Before we jump into the specifics of our work and the outcomes we achieved, I want to take a moment to shed some light on the global reality on the water industry. It's crucial to grasp the difficulties of analyzing and assessing risks in a system that's constantly evolving and is dynamic. Water assets differ notably from traditional infrastructure assets. They represent one of the most valuable and scarce resources on the planet. However, the responsibility of carrying this resource can also pose significant challenges when systems aren't equipped to handle the right amount. So, how can we better control and understand the variables for each specific and independent system? How can we direct the most efficient investment to each ramification of our water cycle assets universe? The answer is by allowing the digital to bring its contribution.